Last year, Worthington Christian presented us with the opportunity to write a grant, to receive funds to better our school. That's not really my thing. I've never written a grant before, and so I avoided it. But a student approached me who works with me in tech crew in chapel and said, "Mr. Klutz, I think that we can make this space better. I feel like there's equipment that we can provide to our school to enhance chapel and other performing spaces such as concerts or different opportunities around campus where we didn't have the sound equipment necessary to really be at our best." The student brought to me the needs, we talked together, and we wrote this grant. And I'm thankful that we did because Worthington Christian gratefully provided the resources that we need to provide a brand new digital soundboard and sound mixer to enhance these spaces. To me, it's not about just chapel sounding better, but it's about partnering with my little brothers and sisters in Christ to walk alongside them and for us to learn what it means to serve the church together. Because to me, as a teacher, I'm not just teaching them how to do chapel right. I'm teaching them about how to serve the future of the church well and to see what God is going to do with maybe just new sound equipment is actually, we can't imagine what God is going to do in the future. With something as simple as this could actually bring beauty to the world for years to come.